Hello guys, welcome to our video. Today we have red Thai curry. It is really spicy. I buy this masala in online and we cook today. I really like this red Thai curry. It's a chicken mix for the rice. And we have one more dish that is udang. It's a small shrimp we catch in the river and boil and dip with the vinegar we will eat for the rice. And another dish is a pure vegetarian, that is Sisiitan. It's a thorn spinach here in our province. Those we take and boil and dip with the bagong or the some sauce. It is very tasty for the rice. Thank you for watching our video guys. God bless everyone. We'll see you on the next video. Bye.